Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to find the midpoint of a given line segment. We have two problems. A to B is a line segment and we want to find the midpoint. C to D is also another line segment. But first of all, let us understand what it means by this midpoint. So first we have a straight line here that measured from 0 centimeters to 4 centimeters, meaning the distance of this line segment is 4 centimeters. Midpoint is just halfway between 0 to 4, which is just what? 1 over 2 of the total length. So if you divide this length by 2, you're going to obtain 2 centimeters, right? Therefore, 2 centimeters is what? The midpoint of this line segment. And the same thing is applicable to coordinate geometry. So I would like to solve the first problem practically, then subsequently we're going to apply the general formula for finding the midpoint of a given line segment. All right, let me start with the first one. So the first one, if we have y-axis and also the x-axis, I realize all the coordinates are positive. This is why I give more space here. The highest value of y you can see here is 3. So let me measure 3. We have 1, 2, 3. And the highest value of x is 10. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let us identify every point. Let me start with point A. Point A is 6, 3. 6 for x, 3 for y. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 and this is 3. Then find the point of intersection between them. This is the point of intersection between 6 and 3. So this is our point A that has the coordinates 6, 3. Then also B, we have 10, 1. Remember that this is 10 and this is 1. So this is the point of intersection. This is our point B, which is 10, 1. Now we are free to draw a straight line to connect A and B. So this is a straight line. We need to find the midpoint of x and y separately. Let me start with x. What is the distance between 6 to 10? To find the distance, you can consider 6 as origin, then you count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the distance is 4, right? Or you can take 10 and subtract 6. You're still going to get 4. So having known that the distance is 4, this is 4. What is the midpoint of 4? It's 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So you count extra 2. 1, 2, which is going to fall under 8 because this is 6, 7, 8, right? So we have 8 at that point. So we have 8 here, which must also correspond to the coordinate of x at that point, which is 8. What is left? That is the coordinate of y at that point. Then we come to this direction. What is the distance here? The distance is going to give us 1, 2. If you count from 1 to 3, or you subtract 1 from 3, you're going to still get 2. Then what is half of 2? Half of 2 is 1. Then you count 1 after this 1, which is going to give us 2 at this point. Therefore, the coordinate of y at that point is going to give us 2. And hence, we can conclude that the midpoint of A and B is nothing but 8, 2. So this is exactly how to find the midpoint of a line on a graph. But what if you want to apply the general formula? Let me show you. So this is our second problem. The midpoint is given as what? A coordinate of x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Once you do this, you are good to go, which is very simple. And you can start from either point. Let me start from C. So we call this one x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. All you have to do is to substitute into the formula. So this is equal to, the coordinate of x at that point will be x2 plus x1. x2 is negative 3 plus x1 is negative 13. Then you divide by 2. Then for y, y2 is 15 plus y1 is 3. You divide by 2. Negative 3 plus negative 13 is going to give us negative 16. Divide by 2. And 15 plus 3 is 18. Divide by 2 also. This is negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you can see that the midpoint is negative 8, comma 9. And this is exactly how to find the midpoint using the formula. And you can always graph it to find out the midpoint. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.